What's up? For some reason, my session got deleted. It was basically I had the last week of July left to do. I think because I wasn't using it for like a while and I haven't uploaded a backtesting video in like a couple of days. Maybe that was the reason. So we're just gonna have to create a new session. Let's make an advanced name, YouTube backtesting. Next, 100K, trading NAS. What shall I do? I think I'll do August of 2022. We'll do August of 2022. We'll start there. And then we'll end on the 31st, where there we go. 31st of August of 2022. Let's go. No trades taken, nothing. 30 days remaining. Let's go. Alright. 5 minutes. Monday, 1st August. Let's mark out 2:30, just like that. And 5 o'clock. Bingo. Alright, daily. By the way, I'm only doing a week's worth of data. 1 second. Let me delete everything because I think those past data on the screen. Bingo. Daily. On the daily, we look like we're currently breaking structure to the upside. We already broke structure to the upside, so I'm seeing bullish momentum, but it could just be a weekly retrace. Let's add that. On the weekly, we look like we're going to break structure to the upside as well, so this could be the move high, low, high now. I feel like we're going back bullish. Daily showing bullishness. I mean, we could retrace back into this fair value gap on the daily, but I feel like for today's session, we could just be daily bullish. I'm not saying daily. 4 hour. We did sweep these 4 hour lows here. We got these lows here, and we got this fair value gap. I believe is the daily fair value gap as well. So we could come attack those lows. Okay, 1 hour. We currently swept nicely all of this liquidity on the hourly. We could just tap into this hourly fair value gap and then move higher. We already tapped into it. So buying from here could be ideal. 1 hour, and then we mark out this low which got taken, and then we mark out other lows that could be attacked. Alright, and then the highs could be 1, 2, 3. Alright, but I mean for now, I'm very bullish. 15 minute. Let me see what the session's done. Accumulation, manipulation, and then it came swept all of this. This is just making more clean and clean for me. tapped into this inverse 15 minute. I mean, it could come deeper in. What's happened on the 5 minute? Yeah, ideally, price would want to come sweep out maybe these lows and then push higher. I haven't got anything on the 5 minute yet, so let's just see. We'll speed pause. There we go. Price even came and swept the initial tap in. I mean, if you respect and then close above, I could be looking for closed above it. Beautiful. That's what I love to see. Now, if we get a breaker structure right here, make it yellow for breaker structure. Beautiful. Nothing left behind. Alright, let me mark out this fair value gap. That's what's going to be left behind. 5 minute. Let's jump on the 1 minute time frame. Price broke structure on the 5 minute. 1 minute. Oh, price wants to. I want price to come sweep these lows out and then push higher. Will we get it? No. On the 5 minute, price just kept pushing higher. So, if I really wanted to, I could have entered off that. Put my stops there. Target 1 to 3, which is quite a reach. So I probably wouldn't have taken this trade. I mean, we did just sweep those highs, so it could be getting a retrace. Let's see if anything appears in the 5 minute. Price is still pumping on the 5 minute, showing the bullish momentum. Oh, I missed my entry here. I need to start paying attention, man. Don't know how I'm not catching these. Price, what did price do? Price came into here. Strong bullish close out of there. Into there. Stops there. Target my 1 to 3. This could have been the trade of the day. But I want to miss. There's 1 to 3. There's 50% of it. We haven't hit 50% yet. Meaning could be a losing trade. 5 minute. Oh my days. In the 5 minute, we broke. Let's go to those. That. 5 minute, what happened? It could be just be a 15 minute little retrace. Price inverse this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Okay, jump on the 1 minute. See what price does. If we get a tap back in. Yeah, we got a tap back in. And it just continues bullish. 5 minute, did it tap? It just went lower into that fair value gap. Let's see something. 1 minute, price came in, broke structure to the upside. Could have longed off that. 1 to 3 would have been hit quickly as well. I mean, not super quick, but like that. Price literally just moved to take profit. All I had to do was watch price action over here. This is the breaker structure I was talking about, with the strong bullish close out of this 5-minute fair value gap. Probably wouldn't be catching a trade today, so jump back on the 5-minute. Low key, looks like I'm reaching. We've got to tap back into this. I'll be trading away from the thing, so let's see, we got this. Or rather, trade off this. Ideally, I want price to close above here. Strongly, just like that. Long position there. My stops would be there. Targeting 1 to 3. So 1 second. This ideally could be the trade of the day. I missed this move. I could be catching this, but price could still come stop me out over here. So risk I'm willing to take. I mean, are we within equilibrium? Second, the 5-minute. Price would want to come into this fair value gap. That's for equilibrium down here. So yeah, had a feeling and happy I didn't take it. I want price to come into this fair value gap right here, just like it is. Why? Because it's within equilibrium. On the 1 minute, happy I didn't take that trade. There we go, tapped into equilibrium, strong bullish close, long position off that, stops there, targeting my 1, 2, 3, just like that. Get this out. That is nice how it came into equilibrium. Strong bullish close as well as that 5-minute fair value gap. 1 minute fair value gap tapping as well over here. Respect to both. And then a strong bullish out of there. We do markets, it's always 1% risk of the 100k account. And let's go. If we lose it, we lose it. Could be a losing day. Oh my days. We came so close into drawdown. I thought it was a losing trade, but we took out 50%. Break even. And then we leave the rest to either hit take profit or stop loss. There we go. We got our 1.5 R, making $732 on the day. I mean, we missed this move up, but we caught this little move right here, and I'm happy with that. Yeah, good trade. I did forget to mark that breaker structure, which allowed me to consider even entering. Yeah, I would have got stopped out. So you always got to stick to your trading rule. If not, you'll just be losing without having a reason to even win. Okay, Tuesday 2:30, bingo. Skip forward all the way to 2:30. Okay, forgot to mark out 5 o'clock as well, just like that. Alright, weekly still. The weekly break structure to the upside, no, it didn't close above it. 1 second. I mean, it broke structure here of that high, so yeah, still considering it, but I'm still bullish. Could be making our retracement back into this fair value gap over here on the daily. Let's mark that out. Daily, alright. 4 hour. Yeah, retracing back into here is it's not a reach at all. We'll can't sweep out this at low. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a problem with shorting. Shorting here is no problem for me. Let's mark out all the highs and lows. I'm not going to mark this because it's basically already the fair value gap. Mark that. I mean, I don't know why I marked that, but they're so close to each other where if one gets taken, the other's obviously going to get taken. Also got this fair value gap up here. And then we'll just mark out these extreme ones. Just like that. Sessions, what do the sessions do? Asia and London just kept dropping. I mean, we swept the previous daily low already. And then on the 5 minute, did we break structure to the upside? Basically, kinda. I'm not really going to consider it. On the 5 minute, I think we definitely did break structure to the upside. Yeah, broke structure here. And then not here. But I forgot to mark out this low as well. Price could retrace, sweep out these initial lows and then push higher. So let's get into Tuesday's price action. Market opened, swept all the bullish, all these highs, get rid of that, get rid of that. Get rid of that, get rid of that, and get rid of that. We got, oh my days, price just might keep pumping, or not. I mean, I'm so confused with this price action opening. And it still just wants to, this could be its reversal. Let it leave 5-minute fair value gap or something for me. It's literally just moving sideways. The whole session is moving sideways. It's not. Okay, let's see if it leaves the fair value gap. Nope. Honestly, what was I meant to trade today? What is this price action? And yeah, I guess today's a no trading day. I guess we're going to be off to... Hold up, we got a fair value gap left behind. See if we get retracing back into this fair value gap. Or not. Yeah. Today was definitely a no trading day. I'm slowly retracing back into it. Yeah, get me out of Tuesday. What the hell was Tuesday? Look at this. Look between these two lines. What was I honestly meant to take? This was just straight nonsense. 1 minute, nothing. Yeah, I'm okay. We'll go to Wednesday. $5 and 2:30. Alright, a second, I'm drinking some water. Weekly. Bullish. Oh, weekly's bullish. Daily. Still strongly bullish for me. 4 hour. 1 second, I'm get rid of that. 4 hour. I mean, I'm looking bullish, but at the same time we're just moving sideways. So we could either sweep these highs and then drop, or sweep these lows and push higher, or we could just push higher or just push lower. So this right now is in a place where I'm not really too confident in. Because look, price pushes higher, drops, pushes higher, drops. Could be another push higher and then a drop, or it could be its actual push out. Let's mark out all these hourly highs and lows. Let's mark out the lows because it's already red. Got this fair value gap on the hourly. Let's mark out these two as the extreme lows. Okay, highs now. That's a high. That's a high. That's a high. That's pretty much it. Unless you want to consider this a high as well. I will do it. We'll consider that a high. 15-minute sessions. What did they do? Literally nothing. Asia low and London low yet still to be taken. Both the highs already got taken. We are inside this 15-minute fair value gap currently. Oh, it was an hourly? Nope. 30-minute. It's also a 30-minute fair value gap. Inverse as well. So we could come sweep out this high and then look for shorts. So yeah, let's jump on the 5 minutes, sweep those 5-minute highs and then look for shorts. Just like I anticipated, sweep out those highs, or if you're just going to continue going up. This price action is just reminding me of Monday's price action for 2025. The one I'm live trading right now. Price action just kept pumping. And that's what Tuesday done. Tuesday just kept dumping. Go to that. And that. Don't tell me it's another day of just nothing. We are inside this fair value gap currently on the 5 minute. Let's see, 15 minute. We do have this 15 minute fair value gap left all the way down here. We did sweep both these highs. Could be looking for retracement now, or we could just keep pumping. I don't know, we'll jump on the 1 minute, see what price action is doing on the 1 minute. Is it within equilibrium? Okay. We didn't tap into equilibrium. We missed it by a bit. And on the 1 minute, we didn't get no sense of entry. This is just straight nonsense. Let's go to that 5 minute. We got another 5 minute fair value gap created over here. One minute. Mark out equilibrium of this range. It's 50% of this 1 minute fair value gap, which I'm happy with. Okay, let's see. Okay, we've got tap into equilibrium and continuation lower. Okay, broke structure to the upside, right here. Clean break of structure. And it's like I'm going to leave behind this 1 minute fair value gap. Change it to there. Figure retracement back into there. Never mind. See, that's why I was happy not to just pull the trigger here, because that risk reward is crazy. Just to this is not even positive. I'm not even up. Look at this risk reward. This risk reward is crazy. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And it just might be sell-offs. So let's see on the 5 minute if we create anything. Yes, we did. And I was too busy looking at the buys to not see it. Okay. We still have an opportunity. We have this 1 minute fair value. We'll mark out this inverse, or rather that inverse. 1 minute, change that to red. If we get a clean tap in back into there. Did we get? No, we didn't get a tap into the fair value gap. Okay, we got tap back into there. What the hell is priced? Honestly, I'm done. I probably lost my head on this day of trading. Because what the hell is price action? We're getting no entry opportunities, nothing. 5 minute. Get rid of this, get rid of that. This price actions make me lose my head. Wednesday, no trading as well, I guess. Yep, I would have been off markets already by now. So Wednesday is another no trading day. Let's get to Thursday. Honestly, so far, I'm happy with how it's going. I'm not jumping into losing trades just because I want to catch something. I'm perfectly fine taking my 700 and staying in profit. Oh my God, I can't speak. My throat is so sore. Let's get to Thursday. Bingo. 1 minute. Okay, weekly. Still bullish for me. At this point, I feel like we're just going to be attacking these highs. Clearly bullish, strongly bullish. We didn't bother coming sweeping that. We swept out the daily low and then pushed higher, so that was good enough apparently. 4 hour. Strongly bullish, but these lows can be attacked and then pushed higher. So on the hourly, what do I want to attack? This right here. All this build-up of liquidity down here. And this is where I want to see price action take so that we can push higher. Okay, in terms of buy side liquidity, will be these highs here. All these hourly highs. Ideally, I want price to come and take all of this and then push higher, because this is just too enticing for price not to want to come take it. Okay. Asia and London just literally moved sideways. Came, took it. I wanted to come take out the lows, their session lows. That's what I want price to come do. And then we can look for buy back up. So let's get into Thursday's price action. Thursday might be a good trading day. We'll see. Session opened. Come on, attack the lows, don't attack the highs. Price is just attacking these highs. I wanted to come attack these lows. I won't enter a buy unless it attacks these lows. Come on a bit lower. Take out Asia session low as well. Bingo. Take out Asia and London. See all of this build up of liquidity. Price could still want to come lower before the reversal. Just as I anticipated. Let's invest this fair value gap now. Bingo. Jump on the 5 minute off this inverse 5 minute. 5 minute. Let's jump on the 1 minute. See what we have on the 5 minute. Let's mark out the equilibrium. That's equilibrium inside this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, let's mark out this 1 minute fair value gap. Change that to blue so you guys know it's a fair value gap. And let's have price come back. What's happening on the 5 minute? Absolutely nothing. Price doesn't need to come to this 1 minute fair value gap anymore. There we go, 1 minute. we did tap into this 1 minute fair value gap over here, but we did come into the original 1 minute fair value gap, which I wanted to see price come into. And price, bingo, there's my other 1 minute fair value gap right here created. Price is currently inside it. If we get a bullish close out of here, I'll enter, bingo. Long position there, little stop loss there, targeting my 1, 2, 3, 5 minute. This could be the 5 minute push back to, I could even attack these highs, but I'm okay with just targeting these highs. At the same time, price could come deeper into this fair value gap before even pushing higher. So let's mark out 50% of this range, just there, enter 1% market, save. Yeah, I had a feeling price would come back into there. One second. This. See, price taps back into here. Yeah, I had a feeling I was too early on the move. Shame. But here's what it is at the end of the day. 1 second, let's get rid of this. Let's make it look cleaner. Get rid of this. Okay, 5 minute. What do we have in 5 minute? We've got this 5 minute fair value gap getting created at the moment. Could see a tap back into there. I mean, I was right with the whole move, but execution wasn't there. This is what messed me up. Look at this 1 minute. Price came even deeper. Ideally, if I wanted to enter, I should have entered here where I did and put my stops at this swing low, and then 1.5 would have been here, and then my 1, 2, 3 up here, and I still would have been in the trade. I would have been at break even right now. End of the day on break even. Let's just confirm I'll end of the day on break even, or it would have been another loss. Oh, it would have been another loss. If price doesn't come back up. I mean, it's still going to 6. I wouldn't have ended the day on the loss. That's definitely break even now. Is it? Let's confirm that. Still not break even. Yeah, today, I mean, I was right with the move of the day. Execution wasn't there, and that's okay. 5 minute. Friday, last day of the week. 2:30 to, that's not the right time, 5 o'clock. Bingo. Let's move this. Oh my days. That had to be a news event. What is that? 130, yeah, it was definitely news. Okay, weekly. Still bullish. Daily. Still bullish, just retracing back into this daily fair value gap. That was quick. 4 hour. Sweeping all that liquidity. Buys right now. I'll be happy with a bit of buys. We still can come lower into this fair value gap, but I mean, yeah, probably. Okay, hourly. That hourly got low. That hourly low got taken. We'll mark this so that we know it's the fair value gap on the 4 hour as well. And I'll mark this out. Mark that out. Mark that low. Finally, we'll mark that low out. In terms of highs, that's a high. That's a high. And we can consider that a high. 15 minute, let's see what session's done. This was probably preparing for the news event, the big drop for news. Could see a reversal here, but it needs to be clean, like a clean one, as it's a news day. Okay, let's go. Broke structure to the upside. Right here. On the 5 minute. Looks like we might be leaving behind this 5 minute fair value gap. Right here. Five minute. Jump on the 1 minute. See what price action wants to do. Came back in. Are we in equilibrium? Barely missed equilibrium, but we'll probably hit it in like the next move, just like that. We got this fair value gap that was formed. If we get a bullish close out of this 1 minute fair value gap, I'll be happy to enter. And we barely tapped it. There we go, we came in properly. I don't know about this. Price action is not looking the cleanest right now. I mean, we came into this. We're still within this 5 minute fair value gap. Just keep tapping back into it. So if I really wanted to, I could long off this. Stops there. Targeting a 1 to 3. Target that 1 to 3. Are we considering this a break of structure? This right here. Break of structure on the 1 minute. Let's see. Equilibrium on this 1 minute range. Price came deeper into equilibrium and then pushed higher, but it also tapped into the 5 minute equilibrium. I wouldn't mind entering. 5 minute. We'll be coming into this 5 minute fair value gap, which we haven't yet. So let's enter. And this day I might leave runners. It depends on the volume of the trade. It has good volume behind it. We could just get stopped out straight away right now, so we'll see. There we go. Close 50. We'll move this up to these highs, and then we'll leave runners. Oh wait, no. Undo. I'll mark this high. And when price reaches this high, I'll move my stop loss to here. Alright, my stop loss wasn't even at break even. So we'll move stop loss there into profit. My 1 to 3 would have been hit. But today's looking like a nice strong day to where maybe I did get greedy and could be losing profits. Fortunately, I got greedy, and that's what happens if you get greedy. I could have made strong profits off this trade. Clean trade. Got greedy and paid the price for it. And yeah, I would have been hit at break even right there. But my 1 to 3 hit, but greediness. I made 1,237 off that. Could have made way more if price hit my full take profit, but because of greediness, that's what happened. That's done for this week. Let's delete that. Reset on the 5 minute. Let's go back and then I'll walk you through what my account is on. First week of August of 2022, I made $962. It could have been more, but yeah. Win rate, really good so far, 66.67%. Risk reward is basically 1R. And these are the 3 trades I took. One loss and 2 wins. Other than that, that's the first week of August 2022, and we started, went straight. No, we won our first one, and then we went into drawdown and we brought it back out. So, still ending the weekend positive. Could have ended in more. I need to stop being greedy. And yeah, my 1 to 3 works. No need to start moving take profits and moving away from my trading plan. Any questions, leave it for me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. I'll be posting a live video as well today for today's markets. I'm actually going to lock in and actually be posting my 2 videos a day, my back testing in the morning and my live trading. So I started slacking a bit, and that needs to change ASAP. And I'm starting today. I'm starting today with that change. So other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.